Hi there. I'm sorry it's been so long since I put up a video, but I've been busy. So let's see if I here we go. The last time I was talking about the chat, we've created better presets for all of the personalities. We can have more bots as well. You can fine tune it with personality traits and also gave some additional instructions. On the design front, it's still pretty simple. And here is the thing that I was talking about last time, the sources. So you can add files, URLs, and text, and that goes here. So for the URLs, it just keeps checking the hash code. So to check if it's been changed once every 24 hours or something like that, or you can manually force it to refresh as well. So what happens when you put in a source? Well, what happens is that we take that to the LLM and then we extract everything that's inside of it into smaller chunks of topics. And then we use those topics to create our articles. And this is a map of all of the articles that we have or that the chat has created using all of those sources. So you have backlinks back into everything else, and then we have to make a better system to sort through the articles. But this is just a small visualization of how everything is connected. And then you can look at all of your sources, and then you can write instructions if you want to have the AI do something different or say something different or specific when it comes to these things. In addition to the normal additional instructions. You can talk with the chat here. Okay, here I'm back from just a little bit in the future. But as you can see, the bot works now. You can test it in here, which was one of the places that I wanted to show you guys. What sort of image models? Let's see how smart it is. This is a live test of this. We use 3 models: Imogen Fast 20 tokens per image, Imogen 4 40 tokens per image, and Gemini Flash for editing 50 tokens per image. This is also the best model here. With 994 tokens, you can generate approximately 19 images using the most expensive model, Gemini Flash. This is true. And then show your sources. So here in the preview, I've added so it actually shows all the sources that it looked up. And as you see, it's not super slow. It's actually pretty nice. What is the cost of tokens? So yeah, let's see how quick it is. Token purchases packs, blah blah blah. So yeah, let's do that same thing in here. What's the cost of tokens? Because this is where you would actually see it. This is the widget. So as you can see, it's pretty fast here as well. So yeah, back to the video. Okay, so this is a list of all of the conversations that we've had. You can go through all of the conversations and then the usage, which is going to be updated because that currently just shows, yeah, the actual cost. I want it to be in tokens, but apparently it's struggling to update. I'm gonna have to keep working on that. So this chatbot is over here on Avocado, which is another site that we've been making. So this is just an image generation thing. It's connected to Gemini, then just some simple tokenized costs. Yeah. So if you log in here, you get the chat down on the right side here. And of course, it's unavailable right now. And I should probably have waited until I could show you the effect, like the show you the chat in effect. But I might just cut it so you can actually see it. Anyway, avocado is another thing I've been working on. You have projects that you can share with your friends. And then you have it's again token based. Every project has a theme that you can refine with AI and default sizes for all of the images and the name. Then you can quick generate or you can go into generate here. Select your if I want to make something in the grimdark thing, I want to edit and pick from the gallery. I would love to actually be on grimdark right now. That'd be nice. Okay, sure. So we take this one, the image I created, and then we say replace the iron dagger. I'm guessing it's a dagger, not a short sword, with an iron mace. So I'm using this to generate images for our game, which is going to be called Grimdark. Making that with a friend of mine, or Actually, right now he's making it, and I'm just talking about joining in and making it because he keeps making changes, and I tried to join, but I have to revert my shit because he has touched the module that it works on. So it's sort of like hard to hard to work together in like the actual beginning phase of making a game. We try to make it module based and do everything that we can, but it's weird. Okay, so here we have it looks like a shovel. Here we have a maze. I suppose that's okay. We can also keep editing it. It, as you see, it kept the background. Here's the fully merged prompt. That's it. We also have API keys. I'm not going to show you that right now because it probably works. So that's going to be a problem if you see it. Then we have the billing. So um, this and this is what we've been working on, right? Cool. So that's like an update for right now. Um, Sorry I haven't put anything out before now. I know it's well, yeah, it's been a week and I've been super busy actually writing it and making the code and forgetting to or putting off to make the YouTube video. But I said that I would, so I should, right? And also it's been a hectic hectic couple of weeks. I've just quit my job and starting in another one, so after summer. So it's been a lot going on. Okay. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.